What if I told you this isn't a luxury car, but it looks, feels, and even drives like one? This is the 2026 Mazda 3 hatchback. And based on these images alone, Mazda is clearly sending a message. Premium doesn't have to be expensive. So today, let's take a full visual walk around from the stunning exterior to the futuristic interior, engine expectations, pricing, release timing, and why this hatchback might be one of the most underrated cars of 2026. Make yourself comfortable. Let's begin. Right away, the design grabs your attention. The 2026 Mazda 3 hatchback continues Mazda's less is more philosophy, and honestly, it works beautifully. Up front, you'll notice the ultra-clean fascia with a slim LED light bar stretching across the nose, giving it a modern, almost electric-like presence. The illuminated Mazda lettering adds a futuristic vibe while still feeling classy, not flashy. From the side, the proportions are spot on. The long hood, flowing roofline, and sculpted body panels give this hatchback a coupe-like silhouette. It looks planted, sporty, and premium, especially with those large multi-spoke alloy wheels that fill the arches perfectly. Move to the rear, and this might be the strongest angle. The full-width LED taillight bar paired with bold Mazda branding makes the car look wider and more expensive than its class suggests. Dual exhaust outlets hint at performance, while the smooth rear design keeps everything elegant and refined. This is a hatchback that doesn't scream for attention, it earns it. Step inside, and this is where Mazda truly flexes. The interior feels more like a luxury sedan than a compact hatchback. The dashboard is clean and horizontal, dominated by a wide digital display that blends the instrument cluster and infotainment seamlessly. The minimal layout keeps distractions low, while ambient lighting adds a calm, upscale atmosphere, especially at night. The steering wheel design is simple but premium, with subtle metallic accents and an illuminated Mazda logo that feels straight out of a concept car. Materials look soft-touch throughout, with leather or leatherette seats that appear well bolstered for both comfort and sporty driving. The center console is clean and driver-focused, featuring a compact electronic shifter and intuitive controls. Everything looks purposeful, modern, and very Mazda. This is an interior built not just to impress, but to make you feel at home. While official specs may vary by market, the 2026 Mazda 3 hatchback is expected to continue offering refined and efficient powertrains. Expect a mix of naturally aspirated and turbocharged gasoline engines, possibly paired with mild hybrid technology for improved efficiency. Mazda's focus has never been raw numbers. It's about balance, smooth power delivery, and driving feel. With Mazda's legendary chassis tuning, precise steering, and low center of gravity, this hatchback should remain one of the most enjoyable cars to drive in its segment, especially for those who value connection over gimmicks. All-wheel drive may still be available in select trims, making it practical as well as fun. Pricing is expected to remain competitive, likely starting in the mid-$20,000 range, depending on market and trim level. Higher trims with premium features and turbo engines will naturally sit higher. As for release timing, the 2026 Mazda 3 hatchback is expected to arrive in dealerships late 2025 to early 2026, with global availability following shortly after. So here's the big question. Do you really need a luxury badge when a car like this exists? The 2026 Mazda 3 hatchback proves that thoughtful design, premium interiors, and engaging driving don't have to come with an inflated price tag. It's stylish, modern, and quietly confident, and that might be its greatest strength. If this is the future of compact cars, Mazda is clearly ahead of the curve. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe for more automotive content, and tell me, would you choose this over a luxury brand hatchback? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.